Hello everybody, welcome to What Blows My Turbo. Alright, look guys, here at What Blows My Turbo, what we try to do is we try to fulfill all your trucking and your comedy needs. So if that's the type of stuff that you're into, hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, so what we're doing this week is we're going to review and react to 3 videos that we found on the internet. Hope you like them. They made me chuckle. Let's get into it. Video number 1. Oh snap! Excuse me sir, I do believe you lost a bit of your truck. Don't stop believing. Whoa, 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 whoa! Must have been a weigh station coming up. You had to dump some cargo. Well, little blue truck, you blew it. Yeah, you did. You just got knocked the f*** out, man. It's one strong ass bridge. Look, guys, everybody, on a serious note, don't hit bridges. Alright, let's get on to video number 2. Holy shit. Timber! Talk about laying down on the job.
Look at this motherfucker right here. Look at this. Look at this motherfucker. You can't park there! You can't park there. It's not a parking spot.
Best I can figure is that dude's 14-hour clock must have been up and he had to get in the sleeper berth ASAP. I'm gonna huff and puff and I'm gonna blow your truck over.
Hey, 71, I just dropped this driver.
We call those guys pillow lovers. He just had to lay it down. Okay, look, for real. Usually, when winds are blowing like that, usually there's warnings everywhere, but sometimes you can't help it, and you just gotta do the best you can. Alright, let's get at video number 3. Oh, shit! Oh my god. That reminds me, don't drink and drive. And at this moment, they realize they just f***ed up. I believe I can fly. Woo! Hey Phil, what's going on, Emory? I bet you can't jump this car into the back of that trailer. Hold my barrel. Damn, he did it. I mean, well, at least the person in the SUV was mindful enough to turn the hazard lights on. Okay, look, on a serious note, people, cars don't have wings, so don't try to fly them. It ain't gonna work. So my question to you is, what's the craziest thing you ever seen on the highway? My name's Emory Joe Earls, and I support that message.